Hey everyone, here's Jan reporting from the sunny, beautiful, a little bit windy today, Australia. I'm reached Perth, where I'm going into Mach Water for 2 days product training. I'm very excited. I know the group are also. What we'll do here is hands-on training, servicing of APP and iSafe, go through troubleshooting in a Seawater RO systems. We'll do the hands-on so they really get the knowledge into the fingers. I hope you will still follow me on my travel around the world. You can do that by going into YouTube, newsletter by Danfoss, or LinkedIn. Stay online so you can follow me on the next trip. So thanks for this time. I will sign off and see you next time.